Want to learn how to enable dark mode on your Snapchat app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. First of all, you need to install Snapchat app on your phone just like me. You can go to App Store or Play Store to install it. And after that, you can open up the app just like this. Make sure to get logged in. Tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll down till the end. You can see that you do not have an option of dark mode for Snapchat. So I'll tell you the easiest and the trickiest way to do it. That is, you can skip Snapchat and go to the settings of your phone. Tap on settings, scroll down and tap on display option or the option of brightness, where you can get a feature of dark mode for your whole phone. Tap on display. You can see just below color scheme there's an option of dark mode. Tap on it. Now to enable dark mode, tap on the sliding bar next to dark mode on the right corner. You can see just by doing it, the whole screen has been changed from white to dark. After you have just enabled this dark mode, in some of the Android phones will get an option of enable dark mode on a third party just below dark mode. If you have that option, try tapping on it and go to Snapchat and try enabling dark mode for Snapchat, and automatically you will get a dark mode on a Snapchat. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I have just guided you to the correct place. Now go and use the dark mode on Snapchat. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.